High above the clouds, the magnificent cloud ship, a vessel woven from moonlight and dreams, sailed effortlessly. Captain Alara, with her silver hair and eyes like the twilight sky, steered the ship. Her crew, beings of pure light and shadow, moved with ethereal grace. Their mission: to gather the whispers of the wind, the songs of stars, and the silent secrets of the clouds. One day, a storm unlike any other erupted, threatening to shatter the cloud ship. Dark clouds, heavy with sorrow and fear, clashed against the ship's luminous hull. Elara, calm amidst the chaos, ordered her crew to use their light to soothe the storm's rage. They sang ancient melodies, their voices weaving a tapestry of hope and resilience. Slowly, the storm's fury subsided, the dark clouds parting to reveal a sky of breathtaking beauty. The cloud ship, unscathed, continued its journey, a beacon of hope in the vast expanse of the heavens. Ilara knew their mission was far from over, for the universe held countless wonders and mysteries to explore, and the cloud ship, with its crew of light and shadow, was ready to face them all. They sailed on, their journey a testament to courage, resilience, and the enduring power of hope amidst the darkest storms. The whispers of the wind carried their story, a tale to be told and retold, a beacon of hope for all who dared to dream beyond the clouds. As they journeyed onward, they encountered celestial beings, each encounter adding another layer of wonder to their voyage. They shared stories of ancient civilizations and cosmic events, enriching their understanding of the universe. The cloud ship, a symbol of unity and exploration, continued its journey, a testament to the human spirit's boundless capacity for exploration and discovery. They journeyed through nebulae of vibrant colors, each one a celestial masterpiece. They navigated asteroid fields, dodging space rocks with skill and precision. Through it all, the cloud ship remained a symbol of hope, a guiding light in the vast expanse of the cosmos.